Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not condone illegal activities. The tools we'll cover are for security professionals and enthusiasts to test and improve security, never to break it. Think of this as learning how locks work to become a better locksmith, not a burglar. What follows is my list of the most essential hacking tools for ethical hackers in 2025. From full operating systems to specialized utilities, these are the foundational tools powering penetration testing and cybersecurity research. Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is Kali Linux, the undisputed gold standard for penetration testing and ethical hacking worldwide. Kali is a Debian-based operating system, meticulously crafted and packed with hundreds of specialized tools for every stage of a security audit, from reconnaissance to exploitation and reporting. It's constantly updated by offensive security, the team behind Kali, who regularly add new tools, patch vulnerabilities, and introduce quality-of-life improvements to keep the platform cutting edge. Flexibility is key. You can run Kali as your main operating system, spin it up in a virtual machine, boot it from a USB drive for portability, or even install it on a Raspberry Pi for lightweight, on-the-go testing. Its intuitive organization makes the steep learning curve much more manageable, with tools neatly categorized by function, so you can quickly find exactly what you need, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. The real power of Kali lies in its massive, active community and extensive documentation. If you ever hit a snag or run into a problem, chances are someone's already solved it and shared the solution online. In 2025, Kali continues to evolve, integrating even more advanced cloud and wireless testing tools, ensuring it keeps pace with the latest cybersecurity threats and attack vectors. Kali Linux isn't just a collection of software. It's a comprehensive platform for both learning and executing ethical hacking, making it invaluable for anyone in cybersecurity. If you're serious about cybersecurity, learning Kali is absolutely non-negotiable. It's the go-to toolkit for students, professionals, and hobbyists alike. It's the foundation for building your skills, mastering the craft, and staying ahead in the ever-changing world of cyber defense. So, install it first. You'll find yourself coming back to it again and again, no matter your experience level or area of focus. That's why Kali Linux stands firmly at number 1 on our list. It's simply essential. Next up, let's take a closer look at Parrot Security OS. This is the main alternative to Kali Linux, and it's often compared head-to-head with Kali by cybersecurity professionals. Parrot is also based on Debian, but it's uniquely designed to serve as a daily driver for both security pros and developers, making it versatile for a wide range of users. It comes packed with a huge collection of hacking tools, programming software, and advanced privacy features, all bundled together in a single, cohesive environment. Thanks to its lightweight Mate desktop environment, Parrot runs fast and smooth, even on older laptops or inside virtual machines, making it accessible for almost anyone. One of Parrot's standout features is its built-in privacy. Tools like AnonSurf and the TOR browser are seamlessly integrated, so you can stay anonymous online with just a few clicks. Parrot comes in several different editions, allowing you to tailor your installation for penetration testing, daily use, or a combination of both, depending on your needs. It's a powerful, resource-friendly, and privacy-conscious operating system that doesn't compromise on performance or security. If you're looking for a single OS that can handle hacking, coding, and secure browsing all at once, Parrot is definitely a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its blend of usability and power, Parrot Security OS truly earns its spot on this list of the best security-focused operating systems. Now let's talk about Metasploit Framework, the iconic exploitation tool. Metasploit is an open-source platform with a massive database of exploits and payloads. It streamlines penetration testing, find a vulnerability, pick a module, configure, and launch. Its real strength is payloads like MeterPreter, giving you deep access to compromised systems. Metasploit is modular and extensible. Write your own exploits or use community modules. The commercial Metasploit Pro adds automation and reporting, but the free version is powerful enough for most. Learning Metasploit teaches you the full attack lifecycle, from scanning to post-exploitation. It's a must-have for any ethical hacker. Mastering it is a true level-up moment in cybersecurity. Essential, period. You can't hack what you can't see. Enter Nmap, the king of network discovery. Nmap scans IPs to find live hosts, open ports, running services, and their versions. This info is gold for attackers and defenders alike. Nmap's scripting engine, NSE, lets you automate advanced scans and even basic exploitation. It supports fast, noisy scans or stealthy, evasive ones, perfect for learning real-world techniques. In 2025, Nmap keeps up with complex networks, cloud, and IoT devices. It's the reconnaissance tool that feeds all your other attack tools. If you're doing anything with network security, you need to know Nmap. It's timeless, versatile, and indispensable. Start every engagement with Nmap, period. To see what's actually happening on the network, you need Wireshark. Wireshark is the world's leading network protocol analyzer. It captures and displays network traffic in detail: source, destination, protocol, and even payload. For ethical hackers, it's invaluable for spotting unencrypted credentials, malware traffic, or troubleshooting issues. The real skill is in filtering and analyzing massive packet captures to find the critical data. Wireshark's display filters and visualization tools make this possible. Even with more encryption in 2025, metadata analysis is still revealing. If you control the network, you can even decrypt SSL traffic for deeper analysis. Wireshark is fundamental for understanding networks at the packet level. Every hacker and defender should master it. It's your network microscope. Web applications are some of the most common targets for hackers, and Burp Suite has become the industry standard for testing their security. Whether you're a professional penetration tester or just starting out in cybersecurity, Burp Suite is a tool you'll see everywhere. At its core is the intercepting proxy, which allows you to capture, inspect, and even modify HTTP and HTTPS traffic flowing between your browser and the web server. This gives you deep visibility into how web apps communicate. With this power, you can uncover and exploit vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and many other common web flaws that attackers look for. Burp Suite also comes packed with tools for automated vulnerability scanning, brute-forcing login forms, and analyzing session tokens to find weaknesses in authentication. The workflow is smooth and efficient. First, map out the application, then identify attack surfaces, and finally dig deeper using tools like Intruder or Repeater to probe for vulnerabilities. The free community edition is perfect for manual testing and learning the basics, while the Pro version unlocks advanced automation and faster scanning for professionals. In 2025, Burp Suite is fully equipped to handle modern web technologies. APIs, WebSockets, and even single-page applications are all within its reach. Mastering Burp Suite is essential for anyone serious about web application hacking, and there are countless tutorials and resources to help you get started. It's a powerful, flexible platform that's constantly evolving, with new features and updates released regularly to keep up with the latest threats. If you're testing web apps, Burp Suite is the essential tool you simply can't afford to miss. For wireless security, AirCrack-Ang is the go-to toolkit. It's a suite of command line tools covering the full Wi-Fi attack workflow, reconnaissance, handshake capture, and password cracking. Use AeroDump-Ang to discover networks and clients, then AirPlay-Ang to capture WPA/WPA2 handshakes. AirCrack-Ang cracks passwords using word lists, demonstrating why strong Wi-Fi passwords matter. It can also attack WEAP, create fake access points, and perform denial-of-service attacks. With WPA3 adoption rising, AirCrack-Ang still matters. Many networks run vulnerable transitional modes. The suite is updated for new challenges and remains essential for Wi-Fi pen testing. If you're testing wireless security, start here. It's comprehensive, effective, and a classic for a reason. Don't overlook Wi-Fi in your assessments. AirCrack-Ang is a must-have. For password cracking, John the Ripper is legendary. It detects weak passwords by attacking password hashes with dictionary and brute force methods. John's smart mangling and incremental modes make it effective against common and complex passwords. It supports a huge range of hash types: Windows, Linux, web apps, and more. Auto detection makes setup easy. Just feed it the hashes and go. In 2025, as password policies get stricter, John is vital for auditing and demonstrating real-world risks. Run it against your own systems to reveal weak passwords and improve security. It's specialized, but for what it does, it's the best. Every ethical hacker should know John the Ripper. Manual testing is great, but for large environments, you need automation. Enter Nessus. Nessus scans networks for vulnerabilities, comparing systems against a massive updated database. It generates detailed reports with risk scores and remediation steps. Nessus is often first to detect new threats, making it indispensable for security teams. The free Nessus Essentials is perfect for learning in small labs. In 2025, with cloud and IoT everywhere, automated scanning is a necessity. Nessus finds the low-hanging fruit and critical misconfigurations. It lets pen testers focus on complex vulnerabilities. Nessus is a cornerstone of any mature security program. Don't skip it. Hydra is the brute force king for network logins. It attacks live services, SSH, FTP, web forms, databases, using username and password lists. Hydra's speed and parallelization make it fast and effective, but also noisy. It supports a huge range of protocols, making it versatile for password audits. Use it only with permission. Unauthorized use is illegal. Hydra demonstrates how easily weak passwords can be cracked, reinforcing the need for strong policies. Even in 2025, many services lack brute force protections. Hydra is simple, focused, and devastatingly effective. Every ethical hacker should know how to use it responsibly. That's 10 essential hacking tools for 2025, from Kaylee and Parrot to Metasploit, Burp Suite, and more. Each tool is deep, but together they form the backbone of modern ethical hacking. Mastery takes skill and patience, but the journey is worth it. Remember, use these tools ethically and legally. What's your favorite tool? Drop a comment and subscribe for more cybersecurity deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you next time.